Around the 1700s, about 20 shipwrecks along the Eastern Cape led to the rise of Xhosa clans with European descent. One notable example is the Abelungu clan, a name meaning those deposited or kicked out by the sea. This clan and others like it formed from marooned castaways who assimilated into indigenous communities. They learned local languages and customs, married women from the tribes, and eventually established their own clans. The Abelungu clan primarily integrated with indigenous groups along the wild coast of former Transkei, particularly amongst the Mpondo or Mbomvana land. Notable among the clan's founders were three castaways, Jekwa, Hatu and Pati, who received local clan names after getting married. While not the original founders, these individuals are significant figures in both oral and written histories. Another clan, the Amamolo, originated from survivors of a Chinese shipwreck. The clan's name derived from the founders' initial limited vocabulary, as they only knew to say Molo. Some clans incorporated foreign rituals from their founders into clan traditions. For example, the sharing of bread, similar to communion, during ceremonies and rituals. Some clans were named after their founders, like the Ama Cain and Ama Ogle, named after John Cain and Henry Ogle respectively, with some named after their place of origin, like the Ama France and Ama Irish. Recent studies have shed light on these historical narratives, revealing DNA samples from current clan members indicating European and Asian origins, thus corroborating these fascinating stories.